7 good reasons to farting without hesitation. Look at number 6. There are not many topics to speak that are more uncomfortable than farting. Most people will die of embarrassment when they pass by, warning those around you that they will soon start to smell pretty bad. Driving out our gas is not something to be ashamed of. In fact, it gives us a lot of information about what is happening in our body. 1. The first warning. If your fart has a very strong smell and you have unusual pain when you expel the gas, and it happens to you frequently, it can be a sign of serious illness. Check with your doctor right away. 2. Reduces swelling. When a lot of food is digested at the same time, your body stores an excess of water and your intestines produce an excess of gas. If you let it go, your stomach will feel much better and it will be easier for you to fasten your pants. 3. The smell is a good thing. In fact, smelling your own fart is healthy. Several studies show that there are components in your gases that protect you from harmful diseases. In large doses it is toxic, but in small doses it can protect your cells and help you prevent heart attacks. 4. Can help you discover your nutritional needs. Everyone knows how important nutrition is, but did you know that your gas can tell you what you need in your diet? Different types of food produce different types of gas, which tells you if you are eating too much or too little of something. 5. Farts are signs of healthy bacteria. Are you prepared for the harsh reality? Slim people get farting more often and are happier. This is because people who eat healthy usually take large amounts of fiber and eat more fruit and vegetables, which encourages digestion. 6. It is healthy for our intestines. Did your parents ever tell you not to fart? The truth is that it is not very healthy to always withstand the gases. Very occasionally it does not hurt, but if you take them always, your intestinal activity can be affected, which can cause painful cramps. It is much better to relax and fart. 7. You just feel good. Let's face it, there are few things in the world that feel better than letting go of all our gases. This is why it's funny when someone just lets them go under the right circumstances.